Yes, of course, it's Everlove TV right here once again with you, trying a possible best to bring you the great content. Remember to subscribe to our channel on YouTube and then support this great family, and then let's make it happen. Yes, video adonya video they will trend them Facebook e makpo eke madon hon ko do dem kuma jaba ma akoya venom yo hom yakpo. As in Ghana, Volta region, if you nyawo nye nuika ejojom le tefe de to ko de share ma throughout the whole Volta region. I know the chokeke kwakwa kava do the South Africa. If you nya kukuklio if you o do ma ejojom no nya toyo kale Chicago. A community in Chicago, where Fiao, Aleo Tepupu, and Odogo, the GhanaFest festival, a Kenya Chicago, where Azanko Duna, a Peshapa, a Payamoto, a 36 or 35 a year, the Karaka 35 times, and Azanko do come a Jimama, Ako video, Kobinami. Whilst Amo divide them the Volta region, I'm not talking about Jembo, you are Tepupule, Chicago, USA. To bring unity among them over there. And this is a video I saw and I wanted to bring it to you because it's something unique. Whilst we are fighting here, the chieftaincy dispute over here is becoming and unbecoming. In Chicago, those who move from here to Chicago are uniting themselves over there. If you see them, the chieftaincy institute in Chicago, the Ever community over there are making it great over there. And I was like, wow, what a community is this? The Agbaja that they are dancing, the Bobobo that they are dancing over there, make it very unique to the extent that I choose to bring this video to you so that you can watch, and then let's speak to our leaders over here so that those misunderstanding between them, we can put those things aside and then bring Voltarians together. And Madak pene Chicago Toyoko Ajawaba do Evadukore Ngole Gapo Mama. I'm trying to possible do one day I know as Zamaduma Everlove TV can just be in between them like Fumala Chicago so that we bring all those content. Every time we can do it. Everlove TV you can do it. Nothing come like Bayama Ikebe. If you want to do it, you cannot do it. So we can move to Chicago and bring all those videos to you. So this is just part of the Chicago program. Ike the community. Odo mama odo the community odo afma. Ike miye siba afi azamana mado ha. Oga do nyong fia ye ado ha. Tanene kwa nyong fia yo vo ike ho odo de azayanwa. Enye ike nyakpo. It is very beautiful situation over there where they were able to install some of the queen mothers in Chicago as well as the kings over there, the chiefs over there. It is one of the unique things that I've seen, and I think I have to bring it to us way back here in Ghana.